Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting work, backup files and the database, then enable WP Debug to see error messages. Once done, switch the site to a staging environment or use FTP and deactivate all non-Woocommerce plugins to isolate conflicts. Make sure to clear any server and browser caches so error traces are fresh. If PHP error logs show fatal calls to a plugin file, note the file names and versions. That tells you which component to target next and prevents blind trial and error. Once you've isolated plugins, reactivate them one at a time while watching logs to pinpoint the offender. If the site remains unstable, make sure to switch to a default theme momentarily to rule out theme incompatibility. Next, update Woocommerce and its extensions. Sometimes a version mismatch causes fatal errors. If updating fails, reinstall the plugin files via FTP to ensure no corrupted files remain. Make sure PHP meets Woocommerce requirements. An outdated PHP runtime. You wrap up by running the Woocommerce system status and any available repair tools to fix DB or cache issues. After confirming everything, re-enable caches and CDN, then test checkout flows and webhooks to ensure functionality. If problems persist, consider restoring from the backup you made earlier and document each step so you can replicate the fix. As a final troubleshooting tip, enable a query monitor or similar profiler to trace database queries and hooks. That often exposes hidden runtime errors fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.